This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively from a PDF. First, select a robust PDF reader that offers strong annotation tools. Ensure your device's screen is comfortable for extended reading sessions to prevent eye strain. Organize all your PDF study materials into a dedicated, easily accessible folder on your computer or cloud storage. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and productive study experience. Once set up, actively engage with your PDF. Use the highlighting feature to mark essential information and core concepts. Don't hesitate to add comments and notes directly onto the document to clarify points or ask questions. Consider using a system of different colors for your annotations, perhaps one for definitions and another for examples, to enhance organization. After active reading, focus on summarizing and organizing. Create concise summaries of each section or chapter in your own words to solidify understanding. Extract your most important notes into a separate digital document for easy review later. Also, make good use of bookmarks within your PDF reader to quickly navigate back to key pages or sections, saving valuable time. Finally, consistent review is vital for retention. Regularly revisit your highlighted sections and personal notes to reinforce what you've learned. Actively test your understanding of the material by quizzing yourself or explaining concepts aloud. Integrate your PDF study with other learning methods, like flashcards or discussion, to create a comprehensive and effective study routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.